Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on Samsung Galaxy F34. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and I will use for this example yep.com. And now you have to search something using this search engine. And now click here, go to settings, click on search engine, and now in recently visited you should have yep.com, so you can select that and then click back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.